What you are looking at isn't a Hollywood movie set. This is real, raw footage of New York City's Times Square, captured in glorious color back in 1953. No sound, just pure history. Before we dive into the hidden secrets of these neon signs, hit that subscribe button and smash the like. Your support keeps this history machine running. For decades, this archival reel was lost in time. But today, with modern restoration, we can read every single sign. Look at this neon jungle. It was the golden era of American capitalism, right after World War II. People had money, technology was booming, and brands were fighting for every square inch of your attention. Let's talk brands. Look at this giant, winking peanut. That's Mr. Peanut, the mascot of Planters. Fun fact, this dapper gentleman was actually designed by a 14-year-old schoolboy in 1916 for a contest. By 1953, he was literally the king of Times Square, blowing real steam or lighting up the night. Talk about an organic influencer. Next up, Pepsi-Cola with a huge neon clock, and right above it, Admiral Television. In 1953, having an Admiral TV was like having the latest iPhone today. It was the ultimate flex of the suburban dream. If you didn't have one, did you even exist in the 50s? And check out this technical marvel, the Grand Union Billboard. It's using an early form of a pixelated screen made of thousands of light bulbs. They are advertising PAL blades and Nylast, a product to stop nylon stockings from running. Because back then, a ripped stocking was a national tragedy for a lady. History is hidden in the details. The ticker tape news on the building says, "Air crash in Japan." This allows us to pinpoint the exact date, June 1953, when a tragic US military flight crashed near Tokyo. This fun, glowing square was also the world's newspaper. Now, let's flip the tape to daytime. Look at Manhattan from above. No glass skyscrapers yet, just majestic art deco stone giants. Look closely at the streets. Every single man is wearing a suit and a hat. If you walked out in a hoodie back then, they'd probably arrest you for public indecency. Next, our anonymous 1953 filmmaker takes us to the horse races. Before Las Vegas took over the world, horse racing was the gambling destination. It wasn't just about the money, it was a fashion show. Look at those vintage dresses. Finally, Niagara Falls, the ultimate mid-century American road trip destination. Why did the author edit these places together? Neon, skyscrapers, speed, and nature. They wanted to capture the pulse of a proud, unstoppable nation exploring its own beauty and power. Think about it. Times Square today looks different, but the soul is exactly the same. Instead of neon, we have giant LED screens. Instead of Mr. Peanut, we have TikTok stars. We are still the same attention-hungry society, just with better resolution. It's amazing how a 3-minute silent film can tell a whole story of a generation. If you enjoyed this time travel journey, please leave a comment below. like this video, and subscribe for more vintage breakdowns. See you in the next decade.